Hello learners, you're watching my channel Teacher Sneha. In today's video, we are going to see how to draw a straight line. Now my viewers will think, what miss, what are you telling this? What are you teaching us to draw a straight line? We know already how to draw a straight line. Take a ruler and take a pencil, draw a straight line. No, I am not talking about a straight line drawn like that. I am talking about a straight line which follows an equation y is equal to mx plus c. So this is a general equation which any straight line follows, and how to draw a straight line which follows this equation is what we are going to see in this video. But before that, now you can see over here there are so many algebraic terms. We need to know first exactly what are the meanings of these y, m, x and c over here in this equation. So y over here means y coordinate. X over here is obviously x coordinate. M means slope of the line. And C is the y intercept. Now y intercept means what? The question will now arise in your mind. Y intercept means where line touches y axis. So I'm just writing this for your understanding. So once again, y-intercept means where line touches, or in geometrical language that is called as intersects y-axis. You can see this example line which I have drawn is intersecting the y-axis at point C. So over here for this particular line, C value is equal to 6. So we can say that y-intercept where the line is touching y-axis is equal to 6. Now we are going to use these values which will be already given to us, and then we are going to see one example question and we are going to plot that line over here. Your example question, which line we are going to learn to draw here, is going to be y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now as you can see, y and x over here in this example question also remains as it is because they are nothing but the values of y and x coordinates. Now how do we obtain these values of y and x coordinates? It's on us, okay? We can determine their values the way we want to. What we have to do is we have to just simply make one table for x and y values. Select any values of x of your choice. So I'm going to select my x values here as 1, 0, 2, -1 and -2. Usually we select these values, but if you want you can select any other values also, like 5, 6, 7, 4, 1.5. Whichever values you want to select for x, you can select these values. Now see the values of x which I have chosen. I had made a table of those particular values, and I have reframed my question. I had already written one example equation as y is equal to 2x plus 1. But what kind of a question you will see in your exams? The question will be draw a straight line with equation y is equal to 2x plus 1. To draw this equation, first step is we have to make a value table for x and y values, and out of that x values are chosen by us. Now we will substitute these x values in the given equation above. We will use our algebra skills of substitution and we will work out the value of y. As the equation says y is equal to 2x plus 1, what I will do here in step number 2 is, now I will substitute these x values as 1, 0, 2, -1 and -2 to work out value of y. So in first case, when I substitute x as 1, it's going to be 2, 1 plus 1, which is 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. So 2 plus 1, answer is 3. So when x value was 1, y value is 3. Now next again we have to substitute x as 0. So y is 2x plus, which is 2 bracket 0 plus 1, that is 2 multiplied by 0 is obviously 0 plus 1, answer is 1. So when x value is 0, y value is 1. Next is x value as 2. So bracket 2 plus 1, which is equal to 4 plus 1, final answer is 5. So when x value is 2, y value is 5. Now y is equal to 2x plus 1, I write that again. Now 2 multiplied by negative 1, because x value is negative 1, so I replace x with negative 1 and put plus 1. So 2 multiplied by negative 1, answer is negative 2, plus 1 means final answer is negative 1. How do I solve this? If you want, you can refer to the rules of integers, which I have already taught in another video. Link you may find in the description of this video. And last value, y is equal to negative 2. We will work that out. So 2x plus 1, 2 multiplied by negative 2 plus 1, which is negative 4 plus, is equal to negative 2. The answer for y is negative 3. Here you can see now we have completed the table for x and y values. The next thing that we have to do is we have to now plot these x and y coordinates here on the graph grid. The first point that we need to plot over here is x is 1 and y is 3. So x coordinate 1, at the same time the y coordinate is 3. So this is our point number 1. Second point is x coordinate 0 and at the same time y coordinate is 1. So where x is 0, y is 1. This is our second point. Next is x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 5. So this is x coordinate 2 and y coordinate 5. Next is x coordinate 1 and y coordinate is also 1. So this is the point where x is minus 1 and y is also minus 1. Then the last point which we have obtained was x coordinate negative 2 and y coordinate negative 3. So you can see over here I have made the points which I had obtained using the table here. The values that I had obtained, I have already plotted them here on the grid. The last and the final step would be I have to draw a straight line which is now going to be passing from all these points which I have plotted. So to do that, I'll take a ruler and a pencil and I have to draw a straight line which is passing from all these points which I have just now plotted. You can extend the line a little bit on either of the side by keeping the same slope. So this is your equation of line y is equal to 2x plus 1, which is passing from the given points. If you want, you can label these points as well, that this particular point was 0, 1, this point was 1, 3, this point was 2, 5, this point was negative 1, negative 1, and this point was negative 2, negative 3. And this is how we draw a straight line, which now if you will see, it has a slope of 2. Okay, how do we determine the slope is what we are going to be learning in another video, not in this video. And you can see that this line touches y-axis at positive 1. So this axis has y-intercept as positive 1. This is the method to draw a straight line for a given equation. I hope you liked this video and you found it very useful in understanding the concept of drawing a straight line. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned on my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.